What's up, legends? It's your Don, the guy who steals hearts and minds and never gives them back. I'm officially wanted in 80 countries. Not because I'm dangerous, but because I'm everyone's favorite person and they just can't handle it. But don't worry, I'm too fast, too fabulous, and way too stubborn to give those hearts back. I mean, have you seen heart prices these days? Way too expensive. Oh snap, I almost forgot why I'm here. Classic me. I'm back with a brand new video, just like I promised. This one's all about artificial intelligence featuring TD Control and Communicator 5. But hey, no snitching, okay? Don't tell anyone where I'm hiding. Let's dive into this super dope video where I'll show you how to use Adobe Photoshop AI like a boss. Let's go! TD Control is software that lets me navigate a Windows PC using just my eyes. And Communicator 5 C5 helps me communicate with the world. Now, you might be wondering, how are you going to use C5 with Photoshop? Great question. Here's the plan. I'll type my commands using Communicator 5, then copy and paste them into Photoshop to control the AI. It's just way easier to type in C5 than using the TD Control keyboard, though I can use TD Control to type too. It's just a bit slower. Don't worry, I'm going to show you both ways. First, we'll import a picture. And then I'll add some cool objects to it. Trust me, you're gonna love what I do with it. Just stick around and watch. Today, I'll be showing you the 4 main features I'll be using. Left click. Click and drag. Keyboard. Paste. Quick tip, to paste text, just look at the center of the eye gaze bar. That's where a pop-up menu appears, and you'll find the dashboard with the 3-dot icon. Easy. In Photoshop, I will be using 2 main tools. Move tool. Rectangular marquee tool. Stay tuned because I will be creating a video about the video editing and will show you how I can edit videos with eye gaze in the next video. As you watch, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Alright, let's get started with this dope video. And remember, no snitching.